Guys, Austin Folger here, and you can check that out at the channel Austin Folger. I just put it as my name because I couldn't think of anything else. So yeah, it's like it was 12, and this was like 12:10. If I get it right, you guys owe me $20. That dang, I was wrong. Still 6. Anyway, I'm watching a show called Adventures in Babysitting. I'm gonna show you some of that video, some of that show now. Good noise outside. Trying to make sure you guys can see that. Yeah, to turn down quite much, and I'm sorry, really sorry if you guys couldn't see that well, cause I couldn't quite see here. Let's get it in the background. So now I know you guys can see it because I'm looking at my camera. Another in a rap contest. It's a weird show. Should you guys watch it? Comment. Say like I love this show or something like that. Like I watched the show. The show's cool. The show's weird. Yes, comment down below and see what you like. Since there isn't much about this, I'm gonna try to go for 10 likes or 10 views, which I hope I get 20 views. I'm pretty yeah, maybe tomorrow if I get the chance, I will I'll make another video. Actually, it is tomorrow, so maybe sometime today around like noon, maybe. Sorry, put my hand out of the way. And yeah. Also, for those of you guys and girls that don't quite know, or the new people that are now watching me, I have a girlfriend, and her name's Chloe. She's very, very, very cute. And let's see here. 2 people I do not want to watch this video, which I hope that they don't have phones or YouTube. And those 2 people are Brian Marshall and Cameron Jones. Yeah, I hope that them 2 do not watch this video because they were her ex, and they'd get really bad. Because they know me. I don't think that Cameron would be quite mad. Because we're cool. Sometimes I want to punch both of them in the face. Boom, 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 boom. Yeah, I just now started making this video, obviously, 4 minutes ago. And yeah, I'm the only one awake. I'm sleeping on my brother's bed because my brother isn't here near with my sister. Both spending the night somewhere. It's just me. The way I got this idea. Sorry, I don't usually yawn in my videos. The way I got this idea for making a YouTube video is on the show, I heard one of them say, let's make a video. And that just gave me an idea, because I haven't made a video for quite a while. So yeah, honestly, that's it for tonight, guys. Peace. I'll see you guys all later.